This is Hillie Molls performing Set Fire to the Rain.
I don't.
Okay. I let fall my heart, not the feel you used to claim it.
You rose to claim
It
it.
was time,
It was really dark. Over.
To kiss my lips and to save me.
Saved her.
My hands were strong, and my knees were far too weak.
She's got weak knees.
To stand in your arms with a fall to your feet.
But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch you pour, touch your face. Well, it burns and I hurt, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, I think it's better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. Why do you always have to win? But I set fire to the rain. Watch you pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well, I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it fell, something died, 'cause I heard it come the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, I'm waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for
The way they're playing, man.
I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it